animal's name in English? Lion, elephant, giraffe, zebra, tiger, bear, deer, monkey, panda, kangaroo, dolphin, penguin.